Welcome to my channel folks, this is Dave here from Ezer-Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel or end a paid YouTube channel membership where you get charged a certain fee monthly. This can be done from your smartphone or PC. On this tutorial, I will guide you how to do it from your smartphone. So without further ado, let's jump right into our tutorial. In order to cancel a paid channel membership, we need to first open YouTube on our smartphone. Then you need to click on the channel logo on the top right hand corner. Now click on Purchases and Memberships. So as you can see under Memberships, I've got 3 active channel memberships. So now we need to click on the arrow sign which you see on the right. Now you'll see a list of paid channel memberships and the amount I am being charged monthly from each channel. Once you've decided which channel you wish to cancel, just click on the arrow or the channel logo. On this screen, you'll be able to cancel or deactivate your paid membership to the channel. It also gives you details of your next billing date for the specified channel, and you'll also have the option to edit or change your payment method. To cancel your paid membership, just click on the option Deactivate. Now you'll be prompted to give a reason as to why you wish to cancel the membership to this channel. You can either select an option from the given list or simply click on Prefer Not to Say. In this instance, I'm going to click on Prefer Not to Say. And finally, click on Cancel Now. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give us the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials from me, please consider subscribing.